Today I'm going to try and make some roasted chickpeas in the air fryer. I'm going to add some crushed chillies, some paprika and some garlic powder. Okay, so I've drained the chickpeas and rinsed them in some water. First up, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's pour it over. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Sprinkle it over. I should add I've never made these before, so who knows how they're going to turn out. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Sprinkle it over. And then finally I've got 1 tablespoon of crushed chillies. I really like chillies, I love them, so if you don't like things super hot, then you might want to cut that back to about 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to give them a good stir around. Make sure they're all evenly coated. They smell good. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to pop them into the air fryer and cook them on 200 degrees Celsius, which I believe is 400 Fahrenheit. And I'm probably going to do it for between 15 and 20 minutes, but I'll keep checking on them every 5 minutes or so, give them a good shake around and make sure they're cooking okay. Okay, so I'm going to add the chickpeas into the air fryer basket. Spread them apart a bit, and I'm going to pop them in at 200 or 400 and switch it on for 20 minutes. Okay, so here is the finished result, the roasted chickpeas. They've turned out really well, got a really good crunch to them. Some of them are a little bit overcooked, but nothing too major. They are quite spicy. I really like them, but if you don't like it too hot, then yeah, definitely turn that down to 1 teaspoon of flake chilies. You could do loads of different flavours with these really. You could do honey, you could do some cinnamon, or you could just do some plain sea salt on them, maybe a bit of garlic powder, or barbecue, that'd be another good one. Let me know if you make any or if you do any different flavours, and I hope you enjoy them. Okay, thanks for watching and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.